Welcome to Jay Has Heart.
What helped me, like, when I was like, oh, wow, I could really use this, like, that moment was probably when I learned, like, I am who I am, and, like, the meditation, because, like, it was, like, really, like, helped me, it really helped me understand myself, and, like, really see who I was. The meditation kind of like just relaxed me after like for a while, like for the first time in a while, because I've been dealing with like school and stuff, and it's been stressing me out a little. And for the first time in a while, I felt good, that like I could just like relax, and I felt like all my worries just drift away, and I felt good about it. And then the I am who I am thing it was just peaceful in every way, and it was just nice just to know that I could see who I really was and what I can do to see myself as a better person. And it just, overall, I just felt really good about it.